Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a nice 9-drawer French dresser that's pretty tired. So let's see if we can wake it up. While I do that, why don't you hit the subscribe button and we'll start on this project. Alright, so based off of what we see just right here is all the drawers seem to be sitting flat, so that's nice. We're going to pull the drawers out, pull the handles off, make sure everything from the tracks to the dovetails are all glued nice and tight. Also on the top here, looks like we got a little bit of a round up here, so we're going to sand that down, get that all taken care of here. Outside that, everything else looks good, so let's start removing the hardware. Alright, we are on to my favorite stage of sanding. So we're going to sand the top down, do the sides, work the front. All the curved pieces, we'll take the sandpaper off and we'll scrape those up. And then we're going to do our drawers. So let's begin. Alright, so we've got it all wiped down, vacuumed out, sanded. Now what we're going to use is our Dixie Belle lemonade color. It's a chalk paint, so we didn't need to sand, but I always like to sand, get the gunk off, make sure it's as smooth as possible. And, well, let's see how it looks. Alright, we have our drawers painted. So now what we're going to use is our Dixie Belle clear, easy peasy wax. It's a clear matte spray, just like that. You spray it on, make sure it's even, let it dry. We're in Arizona, so let it dry quick. Alright, it is completed. The supervisor has checked it over. She's even got paint on her ear. So it's a 9-drawer French dresser in Dixie Belle lemonade with this spray wax from Dixie Belle. Turned out pretty great. So if you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and we're always looking for those thumbs up and feedback. And comments, whatever kind of comments you want. You want to talk about the dog or the piece, let us know. We'll get this sold here this week.